If you're seeing the Facebook error code 403, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step way to fix it fast. This error usually means Facebook is blocking access for a browser, account, or connection issue. But the good news is that it's often easy to solve. So if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's get started. First, check the URL you're trying to open. Sometimes a small typo, broken link, or outdated page address can trigger a 403 error. Make sure the Facebook link is correct and try loading the main Facebook website directly instead of a saved or copied link. If you are trying to open a specific page, post, or group, test whether the problem happens on all Facebook pages or just that one. Next, try opening Facebook in Incognito Mode. On most browsers, this opens a private window with fewer stored cookies and no saved session data. If Facebook works in Incognito Mode, that usually means the issue is related to your browser cache, cookies, or extensions. This is one of the quickest ways to narrow down the cause. If that doesn't fix it, clear your browsing data. Go into your browser settings, find the Privacy or History section, and clear the cached files and cookies for Facebook. Old or corrupted data can stop Facebook from loading properly and trigger error code 403. After clearing the data, close the browser completely and open Facebook again to test it. Now disable browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or security add-ons, can interfere with Facebook and cause access problems. Turn them off one by one, then refresh Facebook after each change to see if the error goes away. If Facebook starts working after disabling one extension, you found the cause. Another important step is to check your internet connection. A weak, unstable, or restricted network can sometimes create access issues that look like a Facebook permission error. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data, restarting your router, or connecting to a different network. If Facebook loads on another connection, then the issue is likely your network rather than your browser. If you're still seeing the error after that, log out of Facebook and sign back in. Sometimes a session issue can cause a temporary 403 block. You can also try a different browser or device to see whether the problem is only happening in one place. If it works elsewhere, then the fix is usually tied to your browser settings or stored data. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the problem. Check the URL, use Incognito Mode, clear browsing data, disable extensions, and confirm your internet connection is stable. That's the fastest way to fix Facebook error code 403 safely and without overcomplicating it. If this video helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.